Did you know that in math's version of a love triangle, the main character is X, but still unclear if he's a constant love or just a variable in someone else's story? Hello, my beloved viewers. I'm Kuya Ems and welcome to Chokat Lapis. You are watching Sipnayan Symmetry, and this is episode 1 of our 20-part series on algebra. Today, we're starting with the most basic and most dramatic concept. What are variables and constants? Imagine you're texting someone. Sometimes they are sweet, sometimes they suddenly ghost you. That's a variable. Now imagine someone who texts good morning every single day without fail. Now, that's a constant. So variables are values that can change, while constants are values that stay the same. In algebra, we commonly represent variables using letters, like x, while some examples of constants are numbers like 5, 100, or pi. So it's like the Philippine weather. Rain is a variable. We never know when or how strong, but the heat during summer? That's basically a constant. Let's take a real-world example. You're buying fishballs. How much is one fishball, Kuya?
3 pesos each.
So the number of fishballs, we can say that it's a variable. Let's say it's x, depending on your hunger. Now the price per piece, that's a constant. It's 3 pesos. So the total cost of what you're buying can be represented by the expression 3x. And just like that, you made your first algebraic expression out of snack craving. Another easy example. If one fishbowl costs 3 pesos, how much would 4 pieces be? Moving into the simple solution, let x be the number of fishbowls, 4. So the total would be the cost per piece times the number of fishbowls. So 3 times the variable x. Now we know that the variable x, we have already assigned a value for, and that is number 4 pieces. So the answer would be 3 pesos times 4 pieces, and the answer is 12 pesos. Math is a lot tastier when you add fishbowls, right? Another example. Anna bought Y number of fishbowls at 5 pesos each. Show the algebraic expression for the total cost. So you may notice here that we use a different letter for the variable. We're now using y. But it doesn't matter. Even if it's x or y or any other representation, its functions stay the same, to represent a value that may change. So let's go to the solution. Let y be the number of fishbowls, and it's a variable. And the cost per piece, 5 pesos, that's a constant. So the expression is the number of fishbowls times the cost, and that is 5 times y, or simply 5y. Now, let's imagine a showdown. On the left, we have x, always changing and unpredictable. And on the right, we have the constant, dependable and steady.
Hey, see, I'm not moody, I'm just dynamic.
At least I don't send mixed signals.
In algebra, variables and constants are your building blocks. So if you get this part, you're now ready for the next level. If you had fun or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on our fun new episodes. We've got more adventures coming your way. History, science, and math, all with a twist of nerdy fun. I'm Kuya Ems, and I'll see you in the next one.